Hi Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 31st of October. Scorpio, we are rightfully in your home reading. Today is Halloween. I hope you're doing well, Scorpio. Okay, I don't know if you're going to be dressing as the dead or you're going to be dressing as someone's ex. Nevertheless, I hope you have a great day today. All right, let's go ahead into your Aphrodite spread. Scorpio, let's go. You Aphrodite. Sorry, let's go. Let's go on your Aphrodite spread. I said that there's something in my eye. I can't see nothing. Let's go. What do you think is happening, Scorpio, right now on Halloween? We have the Fool card. I'm getting freedom. It is the day where the spirits can roam freely, to be very honest. So I'm getting Aquarius energy. This could also be Aries. But I'm getting a roaming around with not much baggage, Scorpio. What you doing? I don't know what you're doing. But I'm getting you don't have much baggage. You're walking around. Maybe you move, you relocate, or I'm getting Scorpio, you are taking a different path in life right now. The path that you have been taking is no longer the path you want to continue onto for 2024. What is happening here is the thing. It's moving. What do they think? They think the Ace of Wands. So they think because you're new out of a contract, them can offer you one. So I'm getting someone has a bright idea as to what you could do with your now newfound time. What do you feel? The Five of Pentacles. Yeah, you're abandoned, you're alone, you don't have much. I'm getting sooner or later the way you're homeless, you're abandon your dog. You have to give back your dog because you can't. Me say, girl, Scarborough, let me tell you something, right? So, hopefully in a few months, I can see if I can get a place so I can rent Scarborough. And let me blood clot tell you something, Scarborough. May I get a pet? I'm say to myself, listen to me. Me don't care. I will sell my pussy for my cat. I will sell my pussy for my cat. Me getting you and the person, you're homeless now, and now you're gonna have to leave the dog outside because the church don't accept animals, but they accept that dirty blood clot pedophilic pastor. Me getting you have to go left leg of your dog and go alone. Because at first it was an experiment, it was great. Now snow come around, you can't outside a camp no more. Me getting you left the dog outside and gone to the church. Or the church tell you, yes, you can take refuge here, but you have to leave the animal outside. The pastor blood clot tongue the animalistic, the way how he lick up the blood clot 18-year-old them. New, just baptized girl them say in the fucking church. Don't play with me. I've seen a lot of pastors doing dirty things with their tongues to young girls, right? Me not care. And I know I'm homeless and I know I don't work right now. Me I get a cat. The cat will eat before me. The cat will fucking eat before me. And if I say push come to shove, I'm not money, I gotta sell my blood clot body for my cat. I don't blood clot care. If it was a baby, I'd done the same blood clot thing. Only thing is, Toronto probably take away the baby from me because they're going to be like, you going to, for money, you might catch COVID-19 in your pussy and keep the fucking baby, right? I will go with that cat. I could never. My body count may be higher than you did expect your daughter's body count to be, but I would never get an animal and have to abandon the animal. Those are for evil Hitler type people. You're Hitler. You're as evil as Hitler. You should have given Hitler a blowjob before he died. You should have given Hitler a blowjob before he died. Because what the fuck? Who gets an animal and because they cannot afford the animal, they're going to abandon the animal? Hitler. When I sell my blood clot, put girl my pussy, me say the man them would enjoy my tits and my fucking hole if me have a blood clot sell pussy for afford cat food and fucking for afford vet fee for my blood clot cat. I'd be damned if I got a dog or a cat and I had to give up the cat because my blood clot homeless. You're mad? Hitler, you're like Hitler. Y'all are Hitlers, all of y'all. Hitler people, you get cats and animals, and as soon as you can't afford them anymore or you want to move into a place because you want a better view, you guys put down the animals or abandon them. Hitler, you're fucking Hitler. So that's what the fuck you did. I could never do that. I'm gonna have to sell my pussy. I'm gonna have to sell. Hi, tell me about yourself. Hi, well, I just got a cat and I cannot afford to feed my cats. I'm gonna sell my pussy. Right? Great. My cat not judge me. He will never judge me for it. He will be getting the best of the best catnip. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. My cat will be taken care of as firmly and as consistently as I take care of my own. So yes, what do they feel? Yeah, watch out. So the one. The dog. So what is happening? Is someone fucking animals and every time them don't fuck the animal them, then get out the animal, then put the animal them down? Because you're getting animals and you're performing bestiality with these animals. I don't know if you're doing it on camera. And I'm getting, as soon as you're finished with these videos are completed, you give up the dog back to the shelter. Because you're finished recording your videos of performing sexual acts to this animal. So what the fuck are you doing? Because somebody's only thinking about sex. Them only think about them one. Over here, so we have two dogs. One dog to the dog, yes, again. So why you get money every time you adopt this animal? And every time the money run out to give the animal back, I don't know what you do. I just know you're Hitler. That's what the fuck I know, you're Hitler. You are Hitler. You are fucking Hitler. What's your special feelings? The Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm getting, every time I get the dog, I get money. And when the money done, you abandon the dog. Some shit like that. Then if your family pets, because the two dog here, again, puppies. These are puppies now. I don't know what, your family breed dogs for a living. Your family breed dog and horse for a living. I'm getting some cruel, corrupt shit to do with animals for a living. Unless to every dog there's a girlfriend, and to every dog there's a boyfriend. If you not traffic dogs as people, then we can understand. Yeah, because look here. She have a newborn baby in her hand, and then just get two dogs. So I don't know what your parents did to you when you were a baby regarding puppies and you. So the dog here, two puppies, but she have a baby in her hand. So I'm getting something about the dog is you, you're the dog, you're the baby dog, you're the puppy, or something about the parents getting your animal when you were a baby. And somebody had a bright idea as to how to make money. I don't know if you grow a dog for a living. What's your sexual feelings? The Two of Cups. I don't know what this is. I don't know, man. I feel like every time you get a dog, something go on with you and a dog. I don't know what go on with you, and you know you're reading better than me. I'm pretty much too tired to figure it out right now, to be very fucking honest. Hey! Stop the plane! What would your parents think? They can ramp. This is all them do every day. That's all. When you go take a book, when you go read, play it every fucking day. Every day them ramp. What is your outcome? The Emperor. So I'm getting the Emperor have something to tell you. The Emperor going to bring this to you. I'm getting, okay, so we had two dogs to a horse and now we have a lamb. The fuck? I'm getting someone name is McDonald. Who is McDonald? I'm getting one man named McDonald. Him have a farm. EI, him want your whole. I don't know what he want from you. I'm just getting a lot of animal, like you're turning people into, you're turning these girls into animals. You're turning them in a dog, then horse. The Emperor just turned that one in a one fucking goat or lamb. I don't know what you want to call it. Either way, the lamb ain't walking. So I would rather be a lamb than a horse or a dog, to be honest. Because the Emperor is lifting him up. I would want to be lifted up. So, yeah. I don't know what y'all doing. We're not do something with some human and animals. Bro, I don't know what the fuck we're not do. Who were the Scorpio? Scorpio, I'm tired. I'm really tired. To be very fucking, I am tired. All expense paid. Yeah, this is the only expense look like it's being paid. If he's moving, at least he will have a fucking free U-Haul. Mr. Neil, how are you today? Anyways, we have FBI. Mr. Neil, baby, come wine for your seat. Come give me that. Jump up on Neil body like animal. Wine panessy like carnival. I'ma lock Neil down like criminal. One fuck feeling like 1 million. Neil, just out watch me like a snip. You're the FBI. Okay. You know when you get sleep deprivation until they start hallucinating? This is what the fuck I'm doing. We have take a break. I know. I should. I'm just trying to take a break after I'm dead. We have phone number and one more. We got go outside and the star card just fell out. I'm going to leave it here. I was going to say October. I'm going to leave it here. Scorpio, I hope you have a beautiful, tu as une belle journée. Have a beautiful day, Scorpio.